Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:30 p.m. January 21st, 2021, Thursday. Pretty wild day, considering if you look at the top of the screen, the Dow Industrials was down 12, NASDAQ 73 up, SPX 1? Huh? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Here we go. So, yesterday, if you remember, we had such a boring kind of day because all the money was moving into the big boys, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Google, etc. Today, it started that way a little bit. And then things turned around big time. Biden started talking. EV space started kicking in. Things were running like crazy mad. I was having a really good day until the end of it, and I'll tell you that in a second. I'm going to go over a couple trades that I missed that I'm really upset about. A couple good ones. I started the day with FUBO. Good old FUBO is back in action. I have 1 minute chart here, so I'll go 5 minute. Might not be able to see on the 5 minute because, it shows a little bit too much price action. But right here to the 32 break right here. And then I rode this up here and actually got a piece of that. Made like $150 on that opening trade, which was really nice. Pulled back below my entry, and then it took off. A couple chances to get back in it. Just didn't make the move. Like through here, it was quick. It was through 35. It went up to 35. Only went to 35.06. You almost got pinned there. So not really good in that case. Well, actually, 34.50 was the play, actually, and they went to 35.06, so that was pretty nice. Other trades, FUV was in action today. Just crazy mover through this area here. I caught a squeeze at the end through 22.50 on this move. Got my piece and made a few bucks on that. What else was there? BIGC. Remember BIGC? We talked about BIGC in the past. Just cranking up pretty good. But look at this setup. This is probably the number one setup that I look for in a day. Move through the whole number 70, which is divided by 10. Pull back nicely. Walked on over to the 8 here. Tried to get up through 70 here. Tried to get up through 70 here. And then I set a buy stop limit on quote order. 70.02 versus 70.08. Got a 70.06 fill. Only 200 shares, right? Because, we can see this thing move, and it moves at 30 cents at a time sometimes. So, kind of wimpy. And it went to like 70.10, and I sold 100 for 4 cents. And then it just ripped. And I was selling like 10, 20, 30, whatever shares. Made a little bit of money on that one. I made $86 on that one. But it was almost a 3-point move with 200 shares. I made whatever I just said, $80 or something. So that was a little unfortunate. Other things. That pretty much sums up the winners. Now, BLDP. Let's go BLDP. EV, Ballard Power, just through 35 right here. Boom. Just really nice. Got a piece up here too. This move down here kind of stopped me out, but I got a nice win there with 152. And at this point, I was up about $400. I know I had an LAC loss, but at this point, I was up at $400. I'm like, wow, what a great Thursday. Markets are doing great things. And then someone mentioned NNOX, right? And I've traded this in the past. NNOX through 60. Get in on it. Look at this thing. Hit up 60 right here. Comes up through 60. It was like deer in headlights again, and just ripped to 69. 68.90, we'll call it, through the high. It actually closed at 66.10. There was entries along the way through here. Through 64 was another call because it went up to 64, and boom, went through 64 up to that 68.90. This was hands on the face. What am I doing? Am I going to make it in this business type of question? Because this is the trade you need. This is a week maker, month maker, easy money right here. This was the easy money, and then I get at the end of the day, Intel earnings come out, and what do? Get stupid. My buddy's like, 61.50 right now on this one right here. Nope. He's like, these are 5-minute candles. It did pull back. He's like, try 62, 62, get in 62. Nope. All right, try 63, 63. Now, this is 5-minute candles. It kind of was chopping around on 1 minutes and stuff. So there was entries there and stuff and pullbacks. What do? I try to hit the 64. And I get destroyed. Luckily, I reduced my share size, but I got destroyed. Actually lost like, what did I lose? $160. And I was like, oh my God, I was having such a good day. And then I did something else. And at the end of the day with 223. Yeah, I'll take it. I'm not going to be mad about it, but where I was, and then trading Intel where I got jumped on like 3 trades on NNOX and on BLNK, NETE was another one. Crazy move through 14 here. 1597, 16, 2 points, no pain. So these are the ones we were looking at today. We were looking at these things, and I just wasn't pulling the trigger. I wasn't nailing the entry, and my entry is not a market order, it's a limit order. And I'm not going to get on a move like this with a market order and get like a 50-cent market fill. You got 20-cent spread sometimes, and you do get that in real time, and it's just not worth it. And I try to get on the limit. I probably need to increase my limit, but I like to nail the entry because when the things doesn't work well, then my risk is less and everything else. So that wraps up that. My strategy. My strategy today. Yesterday did not trigger anything, but today it triggered on Costco and it triggered on LGVW. The funny thing is I wasn't really paying attention, and LGVW worked, and then I got stopped out, and the rest were break even. Costco moved up, but I realized what my strategy was, and I took over the trade, which I shouldn't have, and I pretty much stopped that one out with like a $2 gain. And if I had just let it play out like it's supposed to, it would have been like an $80 winner. So the one I put on the chart late was Bed Bath & Beyond, but I didn't trade it because it was too late, and that one worked out. So that was pretty neat. And if you do have any questions, leave them below. I appreciate your comments and liking the video, subscribing, just sharing everything. I mean, that's the point of this, right? We're in this together. Let's keep doing well. Gains are good. After yesterday, I didn't want to size up today, but today was the day to size up for sure. I'm still hesitant on my sells. I'm scalping a little too much versus letting it run a little bit. But after yesterday, I had to be a little bit more cautious, and we saw some great trades today. So hope you guys caught some. Let me know what you did, and I will be back tomorrow. Have a good one.